Hi guys! Joy here! Today guys, join me for another unboxing. I have here assorted items. Meron ako mga pasabay dito from Pinas. Meron ako mga gifts dito. And yung iba naman is yung mga recent purchase ko. First guys, dito muna tayo sa BLK items na mga pinabili ko. BLK is one of my favorite makeup local brand in the Philippines. Kaya suki talaga ako guys ng brand na to. First, I have your BLK Sleep Quench. This is their SPF Lip Balm. It has SPF 25 PA++. I got 3 shades in Rose, Negroni, and Cherry Fizz. This is only 359 pesos. Next guys, I have your BLK's Color Adapting Lip and Cheek Oil. This is only 349 pesos. Next, I have your 2 pieces of waterproof gel eyeliners in brown shade. Ito talaga guys yung pinakagusto kong eyeliner sa BLK. Kaya ito talaga yung madalas kong gamitin. Try nyo din to guys. And more of my pasabay from Pinas. I have here my bath soap. Itong cloud soap ng Lux Organics. Itong niacinamide retinol. Everyday ko talaga kasi guys ginagamit as my bath soap. Kaya yun nag-i-stock ako. I have here 2 boxes. And then next, my conditioners, guys, Cream Silk. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, guys, yung aking Cream Silk. O, diba? Timing. Talagang ubos na siya, guys. So, nagpabili ako ng 2. And then, meron pa ako ditong 2 din na Cream Silk. Ayan. So, ayun, may stock na ako. Ito talaga, guys, yung conditioner ko. I love Cream Silk. I also have your sulfur soaps, guys. Like 3 pieces each na malalaking size. Yung original at saka yung scented. Itong white yung scented niya. Alam nyo ba guys, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko pag may pimples ako, may allergies, may sugat. Kasi mabilis talaga siya guys, nakakagaling. So recommended ko talaga to guys sa inyo. At alam nyo ba guys, na nakaka-lighten din to ng skin. And nag-restock ako guys ng face scrubs. Kasi paubos na yung aking face scrub. Tingnan nyo naman guys. At wala akong stock nito. So tamang-tama, nagpunta sa isang American store yung aking friend. Kaya nagpabili ako ng St. Ives. I have your BHA Exfoliant Apricot. Recommended ko to guys sa mga acne-prone skin. Kasi meron itong 2% salicylic acid. So this is for deep exfoliation. I also have your blackhead clearing scrub in green tea and bamboo. So this scrub guys helps clear blackheads and unclogs pores. And I also have 2 of this variant, exfoliant apricot. This is also for deep exfoliation. And now guys, I have here some gifts, mga bigay to sa akin. Ilan lang naman to guys. So first ito muna i-open natin. Ayan, I got a new tumbler. Tamang-tama guys, kasi yung tumbler ko sobrang luma na talaga. I really need a new one. Ayan, ang ganda ng color. Ayan siya guys. Open natin. Ayan, so pwede siya sa cold and hot. Ang ganda nito. Ayan. And then next, may socks ako guys. Yan, Adidas. Ayan, 3 pairs. And then, meron akong hair mask. Ito si Ate Lilian ang nagbigay nito sa akin. Isa ito guys sa pinakasikat na hair mask dito sa Japan. Kaya try nyo tong Fino. And then, next I also have here, gift to ng friend ko. Ang laki ng paper bag guys, no? Pero yung laman ito guys is this one. Fake lashes. Alam niyo, gumagamit ako. Kaya yung binilhan niya ako. This is number 36 Dream Girl Lash. Ayan. Ang ganda. And syempre guys, hindi mawawala yung cravings ko sa mga snacks from Pinas. So meron ako ditong Goldilocks Classic Polvoron. Nagpabili akong 2 packs. And then, yung aking favorite banana chips, yung Michelle's Golden Sana Banana Chips. And then, meron din akong Chewy Tamarind Candy, itong Money Gold. Ayan guys. So meron ako dito 6 Money Gold Tamarind Candies. Ayan guys. That's it guys for our unboxing. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kasi ako, nag-enjoy talaga ako guys pag unboxing. Sana lagi na lang may unboxing guys, no? So thank you so much guys for watching. At sana guys, matry nyo din yung mga products na ini-introduce at saka nire-recommend ko sa inyo. And let me know if it works for you. So thank you so much and till the next one. See ya!